Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 Credential Manager error 0x80090345. Type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand cryptography, click and expand protect, click and expand providers. Right-click new DWord 32-bit value named as protection policy, change value data to 1. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.